Hi everyone, welcome to a virtual tour for you at Bally's Hotel in Las Vegas. Stick around for a bonus clip at the end. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. First, we'll start where everyone freshes up, whether it's for the clubs or a nice dinner, whatever you favor. You got your standard one sink and one toilet. Of course, it comes with shampoo, body wash, and lotion. And of course, your mirror and your typical set of towels. You have the one toilet paper by the toilet, and you do have a spare toilet paper below, and your stand-up shower. And here's the overview of the bathroom area. And walking by to the closet. And here's the main bedroom area, of course. This is a king size bed, a bench right in front of the bed. Perfect place to relax and watch TV if you're waiting for other person to get ready. And you do have a desk with a mirror, perfect to do work. 2 love seat couches and a table. Comes in handy if you bring food to eat, to have your meal, or if you have friends over to hang out before a night out. And here's an overview of the bedroom. You have your 2 lamps, one on the left, one on the right. And here's the view from the bed, what you're looking at when you're relaxing. And making way down, back to the dresser. Of course, you have the 2 drawers. And comes with fridge, perfect place to store any leftovers or to chill your beers or alcohol that you have. And comes with the phone and alarm clock if needed. And thank you for watching. May one of you hit that jackpot. Until next time. Hope you enjoy.